succeeded a little.
What's up, everybody? Sugar Arabella back again with another video. And I don't think y'all have ever seen me with a bonnet on my head, but today is the 17th of February, and right now I'm stressed to the moon. And I was like, might as well just add another stress and vlog for y'all. But I have 1 minute to get this done. So basically, I have class at 12:30, about to go on, and then I have another class at 3, I believe, or 2. And I have another class at 2, and then after that class finishes at 4:50, and then I have another class at 5, and I finish classes at 3:15, and then after that, I will be taking this bonnet off to do jumbo box braids in my hair while I'm doing laundry upstairs to prepare for this trip that I'm taking to Florida tomorrow. The flight is at 5:30, so I kind of have a little bit of time to do stuff, but I still got a lot to do, and I'm stressed. Okay, the stress level will not go away until I get on that plane, and I pack, I'm not even packed. So anyways, this intro is too long. I gotta go to class, and yeah. Hey y'all, so I'm back on the camera, and it is 6:50 something, and I delayed for like an hour. I was FaceTime with my friend when I should really be doing my hair, but I needed a break. I was panicking. There's just so much going on, and I feel like I have so little time. But we're about to do this here, and I'm thinking you're gonna see the tutorial before this vlog, maybe the vlog before the tutorial. But anyways, we gonna get into it. Hey y'all, hopefully y'all can hear me. It's the next day. Oh my gosh, my bonnet on the head. My hair is not done. I'm going to the store right now to get more hair and to buy some stuff from Rainbow. It's snowing out here, a lot. Hopefully the flight is not delayed. Hopefully it's not canceled either, because that's gonna affect everything. But I'll talk back to y'all in a little bit. Alright, bye guys. Oh, puppy. Hey y'all, so I forgot the last thing I recorded. I think I was recording me in the airport, JFK. When it came to the plane, the seating was terrible, and FYI, there was no social distancing. You see how there was the middle seat is empty? I sat in that middle seat, okay? So that middle seat was not empty. The guy next to me was blowing his nose. At least the other guy next to me had a little puppy, but it was just tight. For Corona, it was just tight. It would have been tight even if there wasn't no Corona. Something happened with the first rental car that we were supposed to get. So now we're here getting another one. Line is mad long. Decided to settle for, and we're just waiting now. And yeah, this is I think this will be the end of the vlog. If not, you're gonna see me in the next clip. But it's again, everybody, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in my next video. Bye.
Maybe I succeeded a little.